Hallo daar, welcome back to the Learn Afrikaans series. This series offers the ultimate beginner's course in learning Afrikaans. Last time we did the sinstruktuur van die enkelvoudige sin, the sentence structure of the simple sentence. This time we will delve into the familie, the family in Afrikaans. Remember to subscribe if you enjoy the content. For early access to videos, worksheets and their answers, or just to support us, please visit our Patreon. Les 9. Familie. Family. Take note of the names of the family members and how they differ and how they are similar to the English equivalents. Let's begin. First we have the father. Vader. Nog 'n keer. Vader. Vader is the most formal term one can use to refer to the father. Let's show in decreasing formality the next words. Pa. Pa. Next one. Papa. Papa. Both pa and papa would be the words you could use with your own dad. However, papa is usually too informal and personal to use when talking about someone else's father. Papa is a voornaamwoord that usually doesn't occur as the object, onderwerp, of a sentence. What this means is that when words like my, sy, haar of jou appear before you would use pa instead of papa, we look at some sentence shortly. For more about voornaamwoorde, you can watch our lesson about it. Before we do that, firstly let's do the mother. Moeder, moeder, ma, ma, mama, mama. Ma and mama are used the same as pa and papa. In sentences, you could say, hoe gaan dit met jou pa? Hoe gaan dit met jou pa? Dit gaan heel goed met my pa. Notice pa as the object, onderwerp, of the sentence. You don't use papa here. This is a convention but not a rule of Afrikaans. You could say, dit gaan heel goed met my papa, but this is very informal and personal, and a sentence one would only expect from a child. Next for the brother. Broer, broer, or boetie, boetie. And for the sister, 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 sissy, sissy. If you want to specify how the sibling relate to you, you can add jonger of ouer, younger or older, jonger of ouer, jonger broer, ouer broer, and so on. This completes the makeup of what is called the gesin. Gesin. The typical gesin consists
man, man,
and a vrou, vrou, who might have one or more seun, seuns, seun, seuns, or dochter, dochters, dochter, dochters. Next we have the extended family, the Uitgebreide Familie. Your grandfather, oupa, oupa. Your grandmother, oma, oma. Your great-grandfather, oupa grootjie. Your great-grandmother, oma grootjie. If your ma or pa had a broer or sister, they would be your uncle, oom, oom, or aunt, tannie, tannie. The unique thing in Afrikaner culture is that not only your relatives can be referred to as oom or tannie. In Afrikaner culture, oom and tannie are address forms used as a respectful manner to speak with someone older than oneself. In English, you might know the terms sir and ma'am. Well, oom and tannie work the same way. It is usually used by the younger person towards someone 10 years or more older than them. So don't be surprised if you travel to South Africa and a younger stranger refers to you as oom or tannie. Know that they are just addressing you in a friendly way and with proper manners. If your actual oom and tannie have any children, they would be your cousins. In Afrikaans, they are gender specific. Your male cousin is jou neef, neefie, neef, neefie. And your female cousin is jou nig, niggie, nig, niggie. It is important not to get confused with niece and nephew in English, because your niece and nephew refer to the children of your own siblings. However, in Afrikaans, your niece and nephew are once again neef, neefie, nig, niggie, the exact same as your cousins. However, the more popular terms are broerskind and susterskind. Both of these terms are gender neutral about the person, but do specify who their parent, your sibling, is. So it is your brother's child, broerskind, broerskind. And if it is your sister's child, susterskind, susterskind. For any family that is married to yours, the word skoon is added. It is your Skoonfamilie, apart from your spouse, which is just jou man of jou vrou. Their parents would become your skoonvader, skoonvader, skoonpa, skoonpa, skoonmoeder, skoonmoeder, skoonma, skoonma. If your children marry, you might gain a skoonseun, skoonseun, or skoondogter, skoondogter. Finally, we have the skoonsister, skoonsister, and the swaar, swaar. Take note of swaar, as it is also part of the Skoonfamilie, but doesn't follow the pattern of adding skoon, and instead is a unique word. Your skoonsister or swaar can be 3 different people, all falling in your tier on the family tree. That means it can be your spouse's brother or sister, or your sibling's husband or wife, as well as your child's spouse's parents. Remember that the skoonsister and swaar are in your bracket on the tree in order to not get confused. There are further family members that can be mentioned, but we will end it here. Instead, to recap, here is a diagram to show some further extended family members as well. Nog uitgebreide familie. Thank you for viewing this lesson. We hope you have enjoyed learning about the family. Next time we will be covering how to introduce yourself. If you wish to test yourself about today's episode, you can visit our Patreon for the worksheets with the answers. Early access to videos is also available on the Patreon. To better learn, make sure to watch this video again. Baie dankie. In order to help our channel, you can like the video, share and subscribe. Any feedback or questions can be commented below. Bye.